Imagine a future where adventure isn't boxed into giant RVs or heavy motorhomes. Imagine hitting the open road in something sleeker, smarter, and just way cooler. Meet the 2026 futuristic three-wheeled electric camper Trike, the ultimate mix of freedom, innovation, and sustainability. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle revolution on three wheels, and once you hear what this can do, you'll wonder why this didn't exist sooner. At first glance, it's a stunner. Sharp aerodynamic lines, sleek LED light strips, and a bold, futuristic silhouette that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. It's compact enough to weave through narrow roads but still big enough to offer everything you need for life on the move. The front wheel is chunky and purposeful, the two rear wheels wide and stable, giving it the perfect balance between a motorcycle's thrill and an RV's comfort. Now, let's talk power. This beast is fully electric, with an advanced battery pack that offers a jaw-dropping range of over 400 miles on a single charge. Thanks to ultra-fast charging technology, you can juice it up to 80% in just under 30 minutes. And with integrated solar panels spread across its streamlined roof, it literally recharges itself while you chill under the sun. That means less stopping, more going, and endless possibilities for off-grid adventures. But the real magic happens when you step inside. The cabin is like something you'd expect in a luxury spaceship. The interior transforms with the push of a button. During the day, it's a cozy lounge with modular seating that swivels and adapts to your needs, a work desk, a dining area, a hangout spot. At night, it morphs into a surprisingly spacious bedroom, with a memory foam mattress that folds out effortlessly. Hidden compartments everywhere store your gear, your gadgets, even your kitchen essentials. Speaking of the kitchen. Yes, it's got one. A sleek induction cooktop, a smart mini fridge, and even a collapsible sink, all tucked away so neatly you almost miss them at first glance. The materials used inside are next level too, recycled carbon composites, bamboo textures, and eco-friendly fabrics that are both durable and beautiful. Everything about this camper screams minimalism without sacrificing an ounce of luxury. Connectivity is a huge part of the experience. A giant panoramic touchscreen sits front and center, controlling everything from climate to entertainment to navigation. It's synced with AI that learns your preferences, favorite routes, music, even your ideal cabin temperature. Augmented reality windshields project maps, weather, and hazard alerts right onto the glass, so you're always aware without ever taking your eyes off the road. And if you're thinking safety might be a concern on three wheels, think again. This Trike is loaded with intelligent driver assist systems. It monitors blind spots, predicts sudden traffic changes, and even automatically adjusts your center of gravity to prevent tipping. Plus, the rear stabilizers deploy at high speeds to give it that extra stick to the road when you need it most. Whether you're cruising mountain passes or coasting along beachside highways, it feels solid, secure, and smooth. One of the coolest features has to be its self-leveling camping mode. When you park, the Trike uses gyroscopic sensors to level itself automatically, even on uneven ground. No more struggling with wheel chocks or finding the perfect flat spot. You can park practically anywhere and still sleep like a baby. And get this, the rear pod detaches. That's right. The living quarters can unhitch and stay put as a micro-shelter while you ride the Trike freely for errands, sightseeing, or just pure adrenaline-fueled fun. It's like having a house and a motorcycle in one seamless package. Customization? Absolutely. Whether you want off-road tires, extended solar wings, a rooftop drone launch pad, or even an AI companion that doubles as a tour guide, you can tweak your futuristic camper to match your wildest dreams. This isn't a one-size-fits-all machine, it's an extension of you, your style, your freedom. And perhaps the best part is the cost. Thanks to modular production and lightweight materials, it's surprisingly affordable, way less than traditional motorhomes, and with almost no fuel costs. You're looking at true freedom without breaking the bank.